After a few minutes, everybody kind of relaxed, and the movement going down became very slow because there were people from other floors getting into the stairs, so you needed to wait and let people get in. The stair was very narrow. With the door, you need to have like a space for 2 people or 3. The policemen and the firemen were moving up, and I am going down with a guide dog that has not enough space. It probably is too much for him. I say, well, Salty, maybe it is better for you to go. So I decided to let Salty be completely free. Salty continued his way down. But at one point, he decided, no, I cannot go without him. So he came back. He was telling me, I am with you. No matter what, I am with you. You and I together, and that's no question. Don't even ask me. Don't even send me back. I'm gonna be with you.